What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to be explaining the best, most easiest, most simplest way to make money online when it comes to affiliate marketing in 2022 and beyond. So make sure you stick all the way to the end because you do not want to miss anything that you may not know at this time. Make sure you like and subscribe down below if you're not a part of the channel yet, and if you're getting any type of value whatsoever during the video. And we're getting started right now. Now, when it comes to making money online, there's certain tools and systems that you're going to need to actually make the simplest, most easiest money online that you have ever made in your life. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a product to sell. Now, you can create your own product if you wanted to, but there's already made products out there on certain websites that people have already made that are already actually proven to actually convert and get sales from. Making your own product can take decades to actually do. So why not find a product that's already selling? Some places that me and my team goes to actually get some products that are already getting sales and profit from other people. Some good websites you can go to is clickbank.com, warriorplus.com, and even jvsu.com. But really, ClickBank and Warrior Plus are the main two websites that me and my team get hundreds and hundreds of sales from. And with those websites, those products have already been made from other vendors. So all you have to do is find the specific product that you want to sell for a specific audience, get the link from that product, and you're actually able to make daily commissions and even monthly residual income from certain products as well. Now, the second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a lot of traffic for that specific offer. Now, there's a lot of places that you can get traffic from, whether it's organic or paid traffic. A lot of people like to do organic traffic, but organic traffic will take you a lot more time to make daily sales rather than paid traffic. So organic traffic will get you sales in the long term, but paid traffic will usually get you sales a lot more quicker. Now, me and my team, we focus on paid traffic because our mentor shows us and trains us on how to get daily sales, weekly sales from paid traffic that actually converts in the long run. Some good places that we get paid traffic from, whether we're buying solo ads or we're just buying clicks from different vendors, these are all trusted vendors and trusted sources that have already been known to make a lot of money from their traffic because it's real quality traffic, and that's why we buy it. Some places that we buy traffic from is Traffic Authority and Easiest System Ever. Now, if you like to try out the Easiest System Ever, that has some of the best traffic that will target most of all of the different products that you want to sell. A lot of the products that are on ClickBank or Warrior Plus, you can definitely find traffic for that on Easiest System Ever and Traffic Authority. But Easiest System Ever, it'll be in the first link in the description. Go ahead and try it out. You can definitely buy your traffic from there, and you can use the tools and the system to actually run your business with, and just to create the automation and to actually get daily sales from. First link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Promise you won't regret it. Now, which brings me to the third thing that you're definitely going to need is you're going to need a tool or a system to convert those products into sales. Now, a lot of people use websites, but I feel like in the 21st century, websites are totally outdated. You're supposed to be using funnels. That's what me and my team uses, is specific funnels to actually help you convert better with your target customers, and so you can keep repeat customers buying from you every single week. What funnels actually do is it actually captures your target customers' information, and it helps automate your business and your sales, puts them on autopilot to the point where you even actually start getting paid while you're asleep or while you're doing something else with your life. It's a system that will help you get sales over and over and over from the same customers, and it helps you build your list so you can make higher and higher commissions and just build a higher list of people that are interested in your products and your services. So I have both links in the description down below. I use GetResponse and I use Easiest System Ever. Those two have provided me with the best funnels in the world, the easiest, most simplest funnels in the world. You do not have to spend a lot of time, maybe 12, 14 minutes tops, setting up your systems, especially with Easiest System Ever. It's literally the easiest system ever. So make sure you click the link in the description and try it out. I even have some systems and tools down below that are actually completely free for 14 days, so you can try those out as well. But overall though, you're actually going to need those three things specifically to start making online sales when it comes to affiliate marketing. You're going to need a good product to sell that's already making money online, some very targeted traffic that are actually interested in your product, and traffic that is real and that actually converts as well, and and a system or a tool that will help you convert those products into daily commissions and weekly residual income over time. If you want to check that out, the link is in the description. Now I'm actually giving away a marketing masterclass training that will show you exactly how to make money online using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm going to show you exactly how a lot of top marketers are doing that completely free. It's a 3-day marketing masterclass training. Link is in the description. All you gotta do is put in your name and email, and the masterclass training will be sent straight to your email that same time you sign up. Completely free, no credit card required. Now, if you got any type of value whatsoever, click the like button down below and subscribe to the channel, because it's going to show YouTube that I'm doing an amazing job, and it's going to tell the algorithm to show my videos to more and more people. That's what we want. I'm going to show more and more people how to make money online the easiest way and the simplest way ever. So make sure you like the video down below and subscribe, because this is all legit. I'm not making any of this up. Our mentor is amazing on our team. The training is amazing on our team. It's literally the easiest system ever. So go ahead and try it out. Come on and be a part of the team. Now, if you're looking to make money online, whether you're selling products or services, or if you already have your own business already and you're just trying to find better ways to get traffic, go ahead and check the video out popping up on the screen right now. You're definitely going to love it. You're not going to regret pressing that video. I promise you. Go ahead and click that video right now. Stay blessed and stay prayed up. I'll see you in the next video.